How to contact Sony customer support. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can contact Sony customer support. To do so, first of all, open any web browser on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Now once at the browser, in the search bar, type in sony.com. This is the official URL of Sony company. Now after entering this keyword, press on the enter button to search for it. And within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Sony company. Once you reach to this page, here at the top right, you will be able to locate this contact us link. Simply click on it and then you will be taken to this page. Here now you will need to select a category and choose your area. Simply select one of these category based on your preference and then you will be redirected to this page. Now here you will be able to find the phone numbers of that particular offices nearby your area. From here choose the nearest area and then you can simply call in this number given here in order to contact them. Also, if you are contacting them for the electronics, then you will need to simply come back to the previous tab. Here select the electronics option and then select one of these options from here. And again from here you will need to select the product type. Simply select the product. After selecting the product, here you can also scroll down to find this recommended articles and simply click on one based on your issues, and from there you will be able to solve any kind of problems you are facing with your product. Scroll a bit down and again here you will be able to see the tutorial videos in order to solve your problem. You may again scroll down and find the answers for your questions here. You may also scroll down and at the very bottom you will be able to locate contact support option. Simply click on it and then you will be taken to this page. Here you will also be able to see the contact form. Simply click on this drop down icon at the right side and here you will need to enter the reason of your inquiry. Simply select it and select one of these options. After that, here you will need to select the category of your product, select the category series and the model name, and then you can describe your inquiry. And after that, again scroll down. Here you will need to select the place of purchase, enter the serial number, your name, your family name, your email address, contact number, and the place of residence. Here you will need to enter the code given here. And once after doing that, if you have any files that could prove the problem, then you can click on choose files and then choose a file from your device. After that, click on this checkbox right here and then click on submit. After that, you will be able to submit your contact form. Now you will need to wait for the response from Sony company and then after that, you will be able to contact them and solve your issue. So by following these steps, you should be able to contact Sony customer support. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.